Are you struggling to find the perfect bench scale for your business? Stay tuned to discover the key factors that will make your decision easier. Bench scales are indispensable in industries like shipping, manufacturing, and food processing due to their compact footprint. The material of the bench scale is crucial. Stainless steel is ideal for corrosive environments, while mild steel can be a cost-effective alternative for less demanding applications. Choosing the right top for your bench scale is essential. Flat tops are versatile, ball tops allow multi-directional movement, and roller tops facilitate forward and backward motion. Evaluate the capacity and size of the bench scale by considering the dimensions and weight of the items you will be weighing. Ensure the scale can handle the heaviest object. Industry requirements are vital. For example, buying and selling goods by weight requires a legal-for-trade scale, certified by accredited scale technicians. Consider the accessories you might need. Mobility options like battery power, portable scales, or mobile scale carts can add convenience and efficiency to your operations. Manufacturer support is key. Choose a scale manufacturer like Rice Lake that offers a wide selection of quality weighing products. Rice Lake Weighing Systems collaborates with authorized dealers like Central Carolina Scale to provide custom bench scale solutions tailored to your needs. Ready to make an informed decision? Choose the right bench scale and elevate your business operations today. Check out centralcarolinascale.com to get started.